The only vessel on the planet designed to be sunk and returned to a floating position on purpose. The Floating Instrument Platform, or FLIP, was destined for the scrapyard.
Because, as you may know, FLIP was intended to be scrapped, to be cut in pieces. So we literally save from death this amazing piece of history.
Half ship, half submarine. When vertical, FLIP, the ship, has unparalleled stability in the roughest seas. Perfect for recording wave data. The 108 metre long vessel can sink more than 90 metres of its hull vertically in less than 30 minutes.
Seawater is allowed to enter the vessel in certain compartments. This changes the buoyancy and stability. We flip vertically. We're able to control our draft and also our inclination using the internal tanks built on board, again filled purely with seawater.
Built for the US Navy in 1962 to carry out acoustic research, it was finally decommissioned last year. But rather than allowing her to be broken for scrap or sit in a museum, UK-based ocean exploration technology company Deep intends to give FLIP a new lease of life.
We want to create a platform that is versatile but also has modern requirements for power, modern technology for communication, and will allow the very latest technologies to be deployed in this otherwise austere environment.
For Deep, the restoration of the FLIP vessel is the latest project in their mission to explore the ocean at the same level as we have done on land. Their pioneering 3D printing technology called Sentinel also aims to allow comfortable living at depths of up to 200 metres for a month at a time. Deep says that 95% of the ocean remains undiscovered, but it is their plan to discover it. Micheál Ó Scannál, SBS World News.